So you've got your home page, your service pages, and your contact page. But what the heck are landing pages? Hi, I'm Sarah, your friendly neighborhood marketing gal, and today I'm going to talk about landing pages. What are they? Why are they important? And how to create one that actually converts. Let's dive in. Okay, so what is a landing page? In online marketing, a landing page is also known as a lead capture page, a squeeze page, a destination page, and essentially a single web page that appears in response to clicking on a search result, marketing promotion, marketing email, or an online advertisement. Landing pages usually have a mix of sales copy and additional information to push the visitor to a singular action. Buy, sign up, register, you get it. They're often linked from social media, email campaigns, Google Ads, blogs, or even through affiliate links. The general goal of a landing page is to convert visitors into a lead or sale. Because of this, it makes tracking and analyzing metrics like click-through and conversion rates easier to determine if a campaign was successful. While landing pages can be used for nearly anything, some of the most common use cases are for digital downloads, event registrations, and product sales. Landing pages are important for two reasons. First, they convert more traffic because they're hyper-focused on one goal or action by providing only information about that specific offer or item and reducing all other distractions. And second, they provide the opportunity to target additional keywords to increase your share of total search traffic within your industry. Consider this: 39% of purchasers are influenced by a relevant search, and 12.29% of search queries have featured snippets in their search results. On top of that, the #1 search result in Google's organic search results has an average click-through rate of 27.6%. Plus, the average conversion rate of a landing page is 26%. So, if you were on the fence and just thinking about numbers about landing pages work. And by the way, I'm gonna give your brain a break on all those numbers. If you haven't liked this video yet, why don't you go ahead and do that? Just saying. And if you haven't subscribed, do that too. All right, let's create a sweet landing page. First things first, we need to remove all those unnecessary things everywhere, the bits and bobs, all that stuff that hang around a website. That means remove all the header menu items. If you have a busy footer too, let's remove that too. Now, let's get punchy with words. You want to craft a very good benefit-focused headline that clearly and concisely communicates the value of your landing page offer. Underneath that should go a one-sentence description to reinforce that statement. Then finally, your lead capture purchase form or a big call to action should be underneath or next to your headline and description. And all of that should fit on screen without the visitor having to scroll. That's also known as above the fold. Under the fold, or after the scroll, is where you place supporting information like what's included, testimonials, and another call to action button that links back to the form or purchase. The key to this portion is to keep the content focused on the visitor, not you. Speak to them by using you and your to help them feel engaged. Even more importantly, focus on the benefits. Don't get caught up in listing out all the features of what you're selling. A great way to remember this is to think back to the old iPod ads. Yeah. They never focused on how many gigs of data they had, but how many songs they could hold, which was 1,000 by the way. There are tons of inspiration out there, but various eye tracking tools have proven that people scan web pages in a variety of patterns. The most common of those patterns for desktop and mobile is the letter F shape. This means that people first go across the top of the page and read the most important headlines, then they go down to the left, and then down again, read the bullet points, and finally they go across the bottom and read the subheadings. All right, let's recap. Landing pages, first of all, are meant to be hyper-focused on one goal or call to action by providing only information about that specific action or item and reduce all other distractions. Speak to your customer directly. Use you and your to help them feel engaged. Even more importantly, focus on the benefits. How many songs can that iPod hold again? And when in doubt, use the F pattern visual hierarchy for inspiration when designing the layout of your landing page. Now, Go out there and create some awesome landing pages. If you found this information helpful, please tap that like button so this video can find its way to others and it lets us know that, hey, we're doing things right. And if that subscribe button isn't hit yet, please do it too. I share a lot of marketing information here and it's all without the jargon. That's it for now. I'm Sarah from Third Angle. Thanks for watching. Campaigns, Google Ads. First, they convert traffic more better because reading's hard. Reducing other distractions. Like all the other things around me, all distractions. Old iPod ads.